Qolsys is a company based out of Grenoble, France, with offices here in Houston, Texas, and also Jacksonville, Florida. We're a pure dynamic simulation company. We build software and perform services to build advanced digital twins that are used for a few different things. Process design, code validation, control checkout for process automation and controls development, and then long-term for operator training. So the same software that is used to build, to design the facility and design the controls is then also used as an operator training tool and a digital twin long-term. And we fit for most of our clients into their long-term digital twin strategy, where they're taking an advanced chemical and or deep process model that replicates every asset that they have down to the component level, down to all of the equipment sizing, and then makes it work within the entire process such that they can run through a full startup, shutdown, upsets, and connect all of that to a host of different things.